Okay, so congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with all of the examples and the session. And now you will be able to use the Entity Framework Core 2.0 in your applications. I will upload the entire solution which we have created throughout this series on GitHub, so if you are stuck anyway and unable to solve it, then it will be helpful to you. You can revise what we are learning throughout this series in the few minutes. In this series, I was cover all of the concept of the Entity Framework Core 2.0 that required by the newbies. And throughout this series, I am just use the simple way to perform the operation. I hope you will be use the Entity Framework Core 2.0 concept with the your application with the some advanced features of the ASP.NET MVC. And I am also covered only useful data annotation and the Fluent API. You can also try the other available methods and the attributes. You can also visit the Microsoft Office documentation for the Entity Framework Core 2.0. Link is already attached in the description. I just want last opportunity to say that if you have any question and feedback regarding to the course, or if you want to touch with me via mail, or you can also post your query in a question answer section or the comments. So thanks again for taking the course and best of luck for using the Entity Framework Core 2.0 with your application.